Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a coffee machine full guide. Start by filling the reservoir with fresh, cold water and measuring coffee into the filter basket. Use the correct grind size for your machine and level the grounds gently. Turn the machine on and let it complete its full brew cycle. Pour slowly to enjoy aroma, then stir gently and taste, adjusting next time as needed. Grind and measure carefully to make a reliably great cup every day. Pick a ratio that suits your taste and the machine's capacity, then grind to the right coarseness. Distribute grounds evenly in the filter and avoid packing them tightly. Clean any leftover grounds around the basket to prevent channeling. Freshly ground beans and clean equipment make a noticeable difference in aroma and body. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and check the description for the link and other deals. It's a fun little pick-me-up between sips and easy to recommend. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Let the machine do its job and resist interruptions until the brew cycle finishes. Preheating your carafe or mug helps preserve temperature and flavor when serving. Once brewing completes, stir gently to ensure even strength and aroma. Taste and adjust future brews by tweaking grind size, coffee dose, or water temperature. Pour carefully, enjoy the aroma, and take note of any tweaks to make your next cup even better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.